I'm putting it on YouTube. You're putting on YouTube. It's not over yet. It's not over yet.
Good evening. May I have your attention, please? This is your fire safety director. We have experienced an alarm and are investigating its source. We ask that you continue with normal activity.
We have to exit the building? What? Well, we have to exit the building. I'm not done yet.